Aerial photography. What is it, and why do you need it for your listings? Hi, my name is Jed Robinson. I'm a licensed commercial drone operator, a trained aerial cinematographer, and the chief remote pilot in command for Robinson Aerial Solutions. Today, I'm going to be answering that question with you. When many people first think of aerial photography, they often see nothing more than a top-down view of a bunch of rooftops, like this. Pretty boring. Now let's look at a photo that I took with my equipment. Still boring. In my research, the predominant false perception of aerial photography is that it's this top-down satellite image view. That might even be your belief. If so, that's a real shame, as aerial photography can really help you as a realtor present your listings in the best way. A study done by MLS finds that 73% of listers would rather list with a realtor who includes aerial photography as a marketing tool. In the same study, MLS finds homes with aerial images sell 68% faster than homes with ground images alone. What makes these aerial photos so much better than standard ground photos? Let's take a look at 3 examples. These 3 images are of the same house that was featured in the satellite shots from earlier. This first photo here is actually 9 photos all stitched together to make an HD panorama. The picture not only details the subject of the portfolio, the brown house, but it also shows the state of the neighbor homes. It's clear from this photo that the owners of all 3 homes take good care of their property. This sort of atmosphere is impossible to get from a single ground shot. This next photo is interesting. Amateur or untrained photographers may fly too high and too far away from the home and will get a poor image. In this photo, the distance and angle of the camera relative to the home helps reduce visual distortions in the photo. This last photo is of the back of the house, and this is yet another point where aerial photography really outclasses ground photos. With just this one photo, you can see a full list of amenities: grill hookup, trampoline, play place, tiered garden, trailer storage, and a fire pit. These would be unviewable in a single ground image. It'd probably take 5 or 6 different ground photos to show off the amenities in the same quality as this one here. We can also see the homes across the street in this photo, and like with the next door neighbors, these homes are also taken care of. Okay, so now that we've seen some examples of real aerial photography, let's ask the question: what makes these photos better than ground photos? One thing is composition, or how things are laid out in the photo. Another piece of that is the angle at which the photos are taken. Let's look at an example that you as a realtor are probably familiar with. You've likely had a professional headshot taken, and if not, think back to your senior high school photo. The photographers, when you came into the room, had you sit on a short stool. The camera was on a tripod above you, and then they instructed you to turn to one side just a little bit. If it's worthwhile to go through all of that so that way you're more marketable on your business cards and on your website, it's worth it to make your listings more marketable as well. My name is Jed Robinson, and properly optimizing your visual marketing is one of many reasons to utilize Robinson Aerial Solutions on your next project.